Okay, we're going to go over how to make an outline. It's a pretty simple process. So we open up Microsoft Word, and if you do not already have a new file, you can start a new file. So, new blank document. Okay, now you'll want to type your heading before you go any further. So, let's type our heading. English. Put our name over here on the right. And we'll put outline. And we'll call this draft number 1. Then you can change the draft numbers as you save them and make new ones, and you can just save over it and just leave this as so you know it's your most current draft, or you can save multiple files. Either one is fine. Then we'll hit return a few times, and now we'll go over to here. You'll see this says numbering. You can hit numbering, and it'll automatically number it. Now what I like to do is I like to click on it, and you get this little margin grabber. You can click and hold and then drag it over to the left. You could drag it to the right, but we're not going to do that because it's going to waste space. But we can drag it all the way to the left, and then we can start there. And what I have is a numbered outline at this point. So I can put introduction, hit enter, and I press tab, and I tab in. And at this point, I can begin writing whatever I want to put in as my introduction. This would be my general information. Hit return again, and it automatically defaults to a B. Now this is the beauty of the outline mode. Now you might say, but wait, I am done with this. I want to talk about my thesis. Well, fine. Thesis. And then hit return again, and then tab again, and you can then write in the information for your thesis. For example, Alperti's Wilderness Gothic is a poem that attempts to, well, I guess I don't need to narrate it to you, but you get the idea. Now, please make sure that you put quotations around your poem. It is the title of a published poem. That's the correct format. Now, when you hit return, when you hit return at the end of your thesis, you're going to go into Roman numeral 2. Now, you don't want that because you want to start the main body of your paper. So if you hold down Shift and press Tab, you'll go out 1. And if you hold down Shift and press Tab again, you'll go out to number 2. And at this point, you can put body paragraphs. You can hit enter, press tab over, and then you can put in subtopic number 1, themes, or maybe author bio. And this would be note card number 1, blah 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 blah, all of my note card information with my quotation marks, and then I will put in parentheses the author's last name, Szymanski, and then page 91, close the parentheses, hit my period. Now I can look this information up on my source cards and on my note card combined, and now I have the author and information. And now I can hit return, and I can do the same thing for note card 2 on this topic. And then I can, oops. So then I go ahead and blah, 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 and go to town. Then Shift, Tab, and I can go to subtopic number 2, themes. Return, tab, and wash, rinse, repeat. So this is the basic format of the outline, and this is how I would like you to go through this process. Now, if you do not have a thing that is up on the top that says numbering, you can go to Format, and you can go to Bullets and Numbering, and from this menu you can select which kind you like. Now remember, you want an outline numbered, and usually the first one is good enough. It doesn't really matter which one you use. It's all just different symbols. It's just a way to organize things. Whatever one you want to use is fine. So we'll pick this one, we'll hit OK, and you'll see that it's changed the format of mine. You'll see it's gone all the way over to the left. You'll see that instead of periods, we have parentheses around numbers, or half a parenthesis. Either way, it's still organized, and it makes things much simpler. Well, I hope this little video has helped you figure out exactly how to do your outline. Enjoy!